So rounding back into fats for cooking and fats for consumption, again, we'll go right back to this. The best and the lowest omega-6 and stable oils that you can use for cooking are going to be coconut oil, palm kernel oil, and then you're going to get into beef tallow, mutton fat, butter, and ghee. The best oils raw to use in salads and vegetables and in your foods are going to be olive oil, avocado oil, palm oil. Almond butter and cashew butter are very good substitutes for peanut butter when you're using these to stay with the good fats, as well as your secondary fats here to cook with are duck fat and naturally raised pork lard. And then again, the ones to avoid for any sort of cooking, for any sort of consumption, are going to be your industrial raised pork lard, walnut oil for their omega-6 levels, soybean oil. Soybeans are completely out for anything. Canola oil, safflower oil, corn oil, and peanut butter. And so these oils will break down into trans fatty acids. They will be partially hydrogenated, and they create high levels of inflammatory reactions in the body. So stay away from the high omega-6 unstable oils.